All right, so that other spot did not work because there were still employees here. So here's this church I found. I'm gonna give it a rip. I've never flown here before, but we'll give it a go. There's some small little gaps here and there, so maybe there will be something to make out of this. I'm testing out the Fuji X-S10, so let me know what you think of the audio quality and the overall image. I'm not doing any sort of color grading, so what you see is literally directly out of camera. I'm using the picture profile or the film simulation called Classic Chrome. All right, let's get ripping. Letting everything get to my mind. Not taking me down today. I gotta reposition this RC. I'm losing my shit here. Dear Father, I have sinned, hala ha hala. It's been 20 days since my last confession, but for I have sinned a lot. I don't know if I'll make it back. Whew, shit me six. Shitting me six. I got 21. That's a lie. That definitely ain't 4 minutes. I got 20. Oh, I'm at 18. I'm bumbling. Alrighty, so that's it. We'll call this a session. That was actually pretty fun. This wasn't a bad place to fly. A little bit of an open field, some gaps, good transitions. I noticed some people started coming, so I stopped flying through the church because I don't know how they are. Like I said, I'm testing out the Fuji X-S10. I think this is gonna be my vlogging camera going forward. It's pretty tiny, it's super compact and light, so it's not really heavy on my arm. My Panasonic is really a cumbersome thing, and so is the X-T4. It's a really heavy camera, so filming with the 10-24 and the X-S10, this is like, you can comfortably hold this at arm's length. I also can open this up really wide and get a nice wide shot of everything, which is pretty cool. So I'm not doing any color grading, like I said. I'm just using that classic Chrome profile. I'm just gonna upload it just like this. I want minimal effort when it's coming down to doing these vlogs. But this was a cool spot. Now, I did repair the quad that Paul wrecked. So this is the Paul quad. Put some new motors on there. Like I said in that last vlog, I had an issue where one of the motors smoked. The flight controller, I don't know if it caused any damage to the ESC because I still don't have any telemetry, like no battery whatsoever. So I basically have a switch to where now the voltages are being read out to me, which actually works out pretty well. So hopefully that'll work. I have no idea what's going on. I wonder if it's something to do with the ESC. I've tried every single serial port and nothing seems to work. Yet I have 2 other builds from FetTech that are working. But full disclosure, it wasn't working on the flight controller that I thought I smoked. So I don't know. I'm hoping that these FetTech flight controllers come back in stock so I can snag a few of them. But that's gonna do it for this vlog. This was cool. Got some stick cam in and a couple of wrecks, but nothing really bad. The quad props held up pretty good. They are a little bit more fragile than I would like them to be, but overall it's easy to bend them back. I'll see you in the next video. Stay original. That time, I mean, I hit that pole hard. It's always at a church too.